Did you know that around 80% of the world's population relies on herbal medicine for some aspect of their primary healthcare? That's right, herbal remedies are not just a trend, they are a way of life for many. These natural alternatives to synthetic drugs are gaining popularity for their potential health benefits, and the fact that they are often free from the side effects commonly associated with conventional medicines. In a world where healthcare is becoming increasingly personalized, herbal remedies offer a unique opportunity for individuals to take control of their own well-being. From boosting immunity to managing stress, these plant-based solutions are making their way into homes around the globe. Whether you're a seasoned herbalist or just starting to explore the world of plant medicine, there's always more to learn. So, buckle up for a journey into the heart of nature's pharmacy. Stay tuned as we delve into the world of herbal remedies, providing you with an ultimate guide on how to use them effectively. Herbal remedies are made from plant parts like leaves, flowers, and roots. They've been used for thousands of years to treat a variety of ailments. From the ancient Greeks to the traditional Chinese medicine practitioners, herbal remedies have been a cornerstone of natural healing. The wisdom of our ancestors still holds true today, as millions around the world continue to rely on these botanical treasures to maintain health and wellness. So, what exactly are herbal remedies? Simply put, they are medicines made from plants. The plant parts can be processed in a variety of ways to extract their healing properties. For instance, leaves and flowers might be dried and used to make teas, while roots could be ground into powders or used to create potent extracts. The use of herbal remedies is not a new concept. In fact, it's one of the oldest forms of healthcare known to mankind. Traces of medicinal plants have been found in archaeological sites dating back more than 60,000 years, and many of the herbs used then are still in use today. Herbal remedies can be consumed in various forms based on the nature of the ailment and the plant being used. For example, chamomile flowers are typically brewed into a soothing tea to help with sleep and digestion, while eucalyptus oil can be inhaled or applied topically to alleviate respiratory issues. Capsules and tablets containing concentrated extracts of herbs are also common, offering a convenient way to benefit from these natural healers. But remember, while herbal remedies are natural, they're not without potential side effects. It's always important to use them responsibly and, when in doubt, consult with a healthcare provider. Herbal remedies represent a rich tapestry of cultural wisdom, interwoven with scientific understanding, and offer a holistic approach to health. They remind us that nature, in its infinite wisdom, has provided us with everything we need for a healthy life. Now that we know what herbal remedies are, let's explore how to use them. Before we start, remember to subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos like this one. Now let's dive into our step-by-step guide to using herbal remedies. It's a simple 5-step process that anyone can follow. Firstly, step 1 is all about identifying the problem. It's crucial to understand what you're dealing with before you choose your remedy. Are you suffering from insomnia, or perhaps you're dealing with a stubborn cold? Once you've pinpointed the issue, you're ready to move on to the next step. Step 2 involves choosing the right remedy. There's a vast world of herbs out there, each with unique properties and benefits. For instance, chamomile is known for its calming effects, making it an excellent choice for those struggling with sleep issues. On the other hand, echinacea is often used to bolster the immune system, perfect for fighting off that pesky cold. It's all about finding the herb that aligns with your needs. Next up is step 3, preparing the remedy. This can be as simple as steeping some herbs in hot water to create a soothing tea, or as complex as creating a tincture or salve. The method of preparation can significantly impact the potency and efficacy of the remedy. So it's essential to get this step right. Moving on to step 4, we have determining the dosage. More is not always better when it comes to herbal remedies. It's important to start with a smaller dose and gradually increase if necessary. This allows your body to adjust and prevents potential side effects. Lastly, step 5 involves monitoring the effects. Pay close attention to how your body responds to the remedy. Are you noticing any improvements, any adverse reactions? Keep track of these observations as they can provide valuable insight into how well the remedy is working for you. Throughout this process, we urge you to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new treatment. While herbal remedies can be a powerful tool in your health arsenal, they should be used responsibly and in conjunction with professional medical advice. Using herbal remedies can be a simple and effective way to enhance your health, but always remember to use them responsibly. There are countless herbal remedies out there, but today we'll focus on a few common ones and their uses. Let's start with chamomile, a dainty flowering plant that's been used for centuries to induce calmness and promote sleep. It's best known for its soothing properties and is often consumed as a tea. To prepare chamomile tea, simply steep dried chamomile flowers in boiling water for about 10 minutes, then strain and enjoy before bedtime. This herbal remedy is a gentle way to ease into a restful night's sleep. Next up is peppermint, a refreshing herb that's been used in traditional medicine for its digestive benefits. Peppermint contains menthol, which has a cooling effect and can help soothe an upset stomach. To harness the benefits of peppermint, you can chew on fresh peppermint leaves or steep them in hot water to make a tea. This herbal remedy can help with indigestion, nausea, and even symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome. Moving on, let's talk about echinacea, a vibrant flowering plant that's native to North America. Echinacea is widely used to boost the immune system and fight off infections. It's often consumed as a tea or in supplement form. To prepare echinacea tea, steep dried echinacea root or flowers in boiling water for about 15 minutes, then strain and drink. This herbal remedy can be particularly beneficial during cold and flu season. Another common herbal remedy is turmeric, a bright yellow spice that's been used in traditional medicine for its anti-inflammatory properties. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, can help reduce inflammation in the body, which is beneficial for conditions such as arthritis, heart disease, and even depression. To use turmeric, you can add it to your food or consume it as a supplement. Last but not least, let's discuss lavender, a fragrant flowering plant known for its calming effects. Lavender can help reduce anxiety and promote a sense of relaxation. It's often used in aromatherapy, but can also be consumed as a tea or used topically in the form of essential oils. These are just a few examples of the powerful herbal remedies available to us. With the right knowledge, you can harness the power of nature to improve your health. To recap, herbal remedies are a natural and effective way to enhance your health. Throughout this video, we've explored the power and potential of these remedies, starting with the basics and moving into more specific applications. We've discovered the roots of herbal medicine, understanding its origins and how it has evolved over centuries to become a cornerstone of natural health today. We've looked at how these remedies work, from the gentle effects of chamomile tea for relaxation to the potent healing properties of ginseng for boosting immunity. We dove into a step-by-step guide on using these remedies, emphasizing the importance of quality, preparation, and dosage. Whether it's brewing a simple herbal tea or creating a more complex tincture, we've learned that each step is vital to harnessing the full potential of these natural healers. Then, we explored some common herbal remedies and their uses. From the soothing power of aloe vera for skin conditions, to the anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric for joint pain, we've seen that there's a myriad of ways these plants can contribute to our well-being. However, it's crucial to remember that while herbal remedies can be incredibly beneficial, they should be used responsibly and under the guidance of a healthcare professional. Some herbs can interact with medications, and not all herbs are safe for everyone. Always consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new herbal regimen. If you found this guide informative and want to continue exploring the world of herbal remedies with us, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us create more content like this, and we greatly appreciate it. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of herbal remedies. Remember, nature holds the key to our aesthetic, intellectual, cognitive, and even spiritual satisfaction. Until next time, stay healthy and stay curious.